you suspect someone close to you has been secretly stashing money and assets away from you for months, and if you don't act fast, you could lose everything you're entitled to. I'm going to show you exactly how to prove it before it's too late. Here's the harsh truth. People hide assets every single day. During divorces, business breakups, or legal settlements, someone decides they'd rather cheat the system than play fair. They move money around, put property in other people's names, or claim they're broke when they're actually living large. And if you can't prove it, you lose out on what's rightfully yours. So how do you catch them? Let me break it down into simple steps anyone can follow. Step 1, watch for the red flags. Suddenly they're claiming poverty but still taking expensive vacations, new cars appearing in a friend's name, bank statements that mysteriously go missing. These are warning signs. When lifestyle doesn't match claimed income, something's off. Step 2, follow the paper trail. Tax returns are gold. Compare what they reported to the IRS versus what they're telling you now. Look at the last 3 to 5 years. Check W-2s, 1099s, business returns. Numbers don't lie, but people do. Bank statements and credit card records reveal everything. Look for large withdrawals, transfers to unknown accounts, or payments to people you've never heard of. Even Venmo and PayPal leave trails. Step 3, dig into property records. Here's something most people don't know. Property ownership is public record. Go to your county recorder's office website or visit in person. Search for properties under their name, their business name, even family members' names. You might be shocked by what you find. Step 4, investigate business interests. Do they own a business? Request corporate records from your Secretary of State's office. Look at business bank accounts, profit and loss statements, and who else is listed as an owner. Sometimes assets get sold to a business partner at suspiciously low prices, only to be bought back later. Step 5, check for offshore accounts. This sounds fancy, but it happens more than you think. If they've been traveling internationally or have ties to other countries, they might be hiding money overseas. You'll need subpoenas and legal help for this, but it's doable. Step 6, hire professionals when necessary. Forensic accountants are like financial detectives. They can trace money through complex transactions that look legitimate on the surface. Private investigators can surveil and document lifestyle inconsistencies. And attorneys specializing in asset discovery know exactly which legal tools to use. Step 7, use legal discovery tools. Once you're in a legal case, you have power. Subpoenas force banks, employers, and other institutions to hand over records. Depositions put people under oath. Interrogatories are written questions they must answer truthfully. Use every tool available. Step 8, look at social media. People post their lives online without thinking. Screenshots of expensive purchases, check-ins at luxury locations, photos of new assets, all of this is evidence. What they say online often contradicts what they claim in court. Here's why you need to move now. The longer you wait, the deeper they can hide things. Assets get transferred, sold, or moved offshore. Evidence disappears. Witnesses forget details. Every day that passes makes your job harder. And courts don't reward people who sleep on their rights. If you knew something was wrong and waited years to act, judges will question why you didn't speak up sooner. So here's what you do right now. Screenshot this video so you have these steps handy. Then, if you're in this situation, start documenting everything today. Take photos, save emails, print bank statements, build your case. And if this helps you, smash that like button and subscribe because I'm dropping more legal protection strategies every single week. Your financial future is worth fighting for. Don't let anyone steal what's yours. Now go get what you deserve.